Tired of looking unprofessional with that default avatar in Webex meetings? Here's how to change it in under 2 minutes. First, sign into your Webex account. Then we'll navigate to Settings and update your picture in just a few clicks. So let's start by signing into your Webex account. Go ahead and open your browser, head over to the Webex site, and log in with your usual credentials. This is the same account you use for meetings, so it should be straightforward. Once you're in, you'll land on the main meetings page. From the meetings page, look up to the top right corner. See that little gear icon? That's the settings button. Click on it. This is where all of your account preferences live, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Now, wait for the My Webex profile page to load. It usually only takes a second or two. This page is your command center for everything about how you appear to others in Webex, so be patient if it takes a moment. It's just loading up all your info. Once the page is open, find your current profile picture or avatar at the very top of the profile section. If you've never set one, it's probably that generic silhouette or just your initials in a circle. This is exactly what we're here to fix. Click directly on your profile picture or that avatar. A small menu should pop up with a few options. You're looking for something that says Change, Upload, or Edit. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your version, but it'll be one of those three. Click that option. Now, your computer's file browser will open. Browse through your folders and select the image you want to use. In my experience, a simple headshot works best, something clear and professional. Avoid photos with busy backgrounds or other people in them. Just pick a good, recent picture of yourself. If Webex prompts you to adjust or crop the image, go ahead and do that. A square crop usually works best here. Try to frame your face nicely, center it, and make sure you're looking approachable. This crop is what everyone will see in meetings, so take an extra 10 seconds to get it right. Look for the Save, Apply, or Update button. Click it to confirm your new profile picture. This is the moment of truth, so don't skip this step. I've seen people pick a great photo and then forget to save, so make sure you do this. Now, wait for Webex to upload and apply your picture. You might see a small loading spinner or a progress bar. This is normal. It usually finishes in a few seconds, but if your image is large or your connection is slow, give it a little more time. Once the upload is done, check that your new picture appears right there on the profile page. It should replace the old avatar instantly. This is a good sign that everything worked. And here is the really important part. That new picture will now show across your entire Webex account. That means in team spaces, in your contact list, and most importantly, during meetings. So when you join your next call, people will see your professional, personalized photo instead of that default placeholder. You are all set with a professional look. I know that seems like a lot of steps, but once you've done it once, it takes less than a minute. And honestly, in my experience, having a clear, friendly profile picture makes a real difference in how people perceive you in meetings. It builds a little bit of trust before you even say a word. So go ahead, update that picture, and look good on your next call.